What's up, y'all? This is Chris with Flip the World. And Stacy's not here today.
Yes, I am.
Do.
We had a killer weekend. I am talking biggest yet. Hopefully not the biggest ever because we still are living, but the biggest yet. We did a massive $2,837.56 gross on eBay and Poshmark. That is by far the largest weekend what sold amount you will have ever seen if you've watched any of our videos. Again, remember, we are part-time resellers, people. That is amazing. We are very satisfied with that. Now, if you watched our last video, you will know that one of those items was $1,500. It was the, I'm not going to tell you. If you haven't seen it, hit the link and go watch that video. But we sold one item for $1,500, so that took up a good chunk of that money, which we understand isn't normal, but we're taking it because it's freaking record for us, people. Now, so that means the remaining $1,337.56 came from additional sales. Durr. So a total of 22 items is all we sold for this weekend. And I'm going to save the cost of goods because I don't want you to pass out yet. But remember, we are very heavy on dumpster diving, and Goodwill bins is the only thrift that we go to as far as paying for items. So yes, if you like the shirt, this is our own little mock-up of the Goodwill because that is where we get most of our stuff. So you can hit us at Flip the World TX if you'd like to purchase any of our merch. That would be very swell of you. So let's talk about some of the items that sold. First up, we have Nike Pegasus 29s, just a nice pair of Nike Pegasus. They sold for $34.99. You remember those Lucchese boots I told you about in the last thrift haul? Well, guess what? I sold them for $150. My buy cost, $3.93. So, you know, might want to bolo on Lucchese shoes or Lucchese. I don't know how to pronounce it, but make sure you write that one down in your notebook because you'll want to find those boots. This next one is pretty cool because it is a bundle deal where we got the Xbox 360 by itself off of Facebook Marketplace. I want to say we spent $10 for it because we got it untested and no controllers, no power supply, literally just the console. So we bought that. We had an extra power supply laying around, and then when we turned it on, because the kids have Xboxes, there was a game inside, Soul Calibur 5. Don't know if it's good, don't know if it's bad. But anyway, we took a power supply that we had, plus the game and the console. No remote and no AV cord, just the power supply, the console, and the game. And it sold for full price, $89.99. And it's going to Puerto Rico. I want to say it was like the bulk of our shipping was these bigger items, but that one cost, I want to say, right at $30, maybe $35 to ship. So a little bit on that, but we're still making money back on our investment of $10 for the console. Next up were these Cabela camo pants. Picked those up. I want to say those were at the bins. Buy cost on that's probably going to be $3.93, but sold them for $30.99 out the door. Good old big pair of New Balance 880s went for $36. I think we had them listed for $38.99 and someone made a $36 offer. So we will take that every day. Out the door. Bye-bye. See ya. So long. Arrivederci. Now, a couple videos back, the misses actually came up on seven Nerf Phoenix LTX laser tag guns, and we split them into a lot of 4 and a lot of 3. Well, we had the lot of 3 for $49.99, free shipping. Someone made us an offer for $40, and we went ahead and winner chicken dinner took that deal. Kohan, if you saw or have seen any of my videos talking about the Grand OSs, you know that Grand OS used to be the shoe to find and resell. And then over the years, they become so oversaturated that the market's actually gone down. You used to be able to sell them for 55 plus. Now you're going to be more in the 30 to 38 range. So we actually took an offer on these for 30, and we took it because found them in the trash. Don't tell the buyer. Dare to be, girl, or guy, or them, or who. I'm not offending anyone, right? No, we're good? Okay. Dare to be. These are snowboarding bibs. Again, anytime it looks like suspenders, it's called a bib because you're supposed to put like a shirt and a jacket and then something over it. So anyway, we sold those for full asking price of $26.99. I will say that we had 4 offers on these within the last 3 days. A $10 offer, which I laughed at, a $12 offer, which I literally declined it, and in the little note I put, go home, you're drunk. A $20 offer, which I declined. I'm sorry, I countered at 24, and then before they could accept that 24, someone paid full price, $26.99. So whoever you are, enjoy snowboarding or skiing or whatever you're going to be wearing your cold weather bibs in. Now, if you follow us on Instagram at FlipTheWorldTX, you know that I received this pair of Nike Air Force One low black suede with the gum trim as a tip from one of my pest control customers. It happens to be a buddy of mine. They were just sitting in his closet and he wasn't doing anything with them. So after I finished doing his regular pest control service, he gave me those shoes as a tip because he knows that I'm a reseller. So the tip finally paid off and I sold them for $80. So shout out to Waylon. You the man, sir. You the man. And then the final item I just want to show you, and then we will get to the numbers because that's what you're really here for. That's why you watch What Sold videos, is you want to see the numbers of how much money we made. It's just this little traveler's guide. It's like an atlas. It has all the different maps and things like that. It's leather bound and it's actually stamped from Coach. Sold that for $15 again. I found it in the trash. I thought it was like a leather-bound gold trim Bible. And I was like, oh, Bibles sell, right? So I think that was like 10 or 11 of the 22 items. Again, you saw the scanner in the last video. So let's get to the facts. Remember, $2,837.56 is our gross sales for the weekend. Now, eBay fees came out to $350.13. Shipping was $233.71. And the cost of goods for these 22 items, are you ready? Please don't pass out. $23.88. That's all we spent. We were able to turn $23.88 into $2,837.56. I'm going to keep screaming it till the cows come home because this is our biggest sale weekend ever. I want to top it, but it was the biggest. So $23.88 into almost $2,400. That's amazing for us. I think that's amazing for anybody. After you take out the eBay fees, after you take out shipping, after you take out cost of goods, which is about the cost of 4 people getting drinks at Starbucks, you give a net profit in my pocket of $2,229.84 net. In pocket. And when I say my pocket, I mean her pocket, because let's be real, women be shopping. Women be shopping. That is an amazing weekend for us. Thank you so much for watching. I know you guys love What Sold videos. I'm going to go watch some What Sold videos. I think Hustle and Hook's Sold video premieres tonight. I try to do mine on Mondays because the weekend's over. They do theirs in the evening time. So hopefully you guys check them out as well. Hope you liked the video. We just wanted to show you guys some of the things that we were selling. We're very happy with our weekend. Hope you guys have a great week. Like, share, subscribe. Leave a comment if you had great sales this weekend, or if there's something that you're slacking on, or if you just want to say hi. As always, hit us at fliptheworldtx.com. We got merch. We got all kinds of stuff. You can check our eBay store. You can check our Poshmark store. If you see something in any of those, go ahead and hit us up, because you know our cost of goods is low, so we might make an offer. We haven't sold anything to a viewer yet, so that would be awesome to give a viewer a shout out, because I see all these other YouTubers do it, and I just want to do it too. So thank you. Until next time. Deuce.